Relax, relax. Ready to go. Alright, finish your milk. Finish. Drink it up. Drink it.
Then Bronco. Eliza, you want to give Talia a kiss good night? Eliza, can you kiss her feet? Say good night. Night. Just gently. You don't have to hold him. Good.
Yeah, shh. Sleep. Yeah. Night.
What about Boompa?
This is a video. Excuse you. Oh, excuse you. Okay, good night.
Bye-bye.
Good job. Alright, let's go upstairs.
You're gonna flip. Good night, Eliza.
Night.
Love you.
Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss.
Oh, blow a kiss.
Oh, that was a good one.
That was so